Hi, I'm Jason and welcome to Dosatron University. We hope this video has been helpful. Welcome to Dosatron's Service and Maintenance video series. Today we will show you how to service your DM11F Medicator. Before we start, make sure the unit is clicking. To begin, loosen and remove the stem nut. Then grasp the stem and pull it straight down. Pull the plunger down and twist it a quarter turn counterclockwise. Pull straight out to remove. Tilt and remove the isolation body. Remove the suction hose nut if it hasn't already been removed. Then remove the check valve nut. Pull the check valve straight out. While servicing the check valve, we recommend you work on a clean, flat surface. You don't want to lose any parts in your stock tank. In order to service the check valve, grasp the white retainer, twist a quarter turn counterclockwise to release. Remove the spring and the cone and inspect the O-ring. Replace it if it's worn or scored. Or if you have the mini maintenance kit, these items are included. You may also purchase them separately. To reassemble, put the cone back into the check valve. Slide the spring over the top of the neck of the cone and replace the retainer by aligning it and turning it a quarter turn clockwise to lock. Reinstall the check valve into the stem. Next, take the check valve nut and thread it back onto the stem. Then reinstall the suction tube nut. Remove the plunger seal. This is also included in the mini maintenance kit. Replace it onto the plunger. Next, inspect the O-ring on the plunger and replace it if nicked or damaged. Inspect the isolation body O-ring. Replace it if worn or scored. Next, inspect the isolation body internal diameter. Replace it if worn or scored. Replace the isolation body O-ring. To reassemble, insert the plunger into the body. Twist the plunger quarter turn clockwise to lock and pull the connector down. Then, turn the plunger counterclockwise a quarter turn and remove. Next, reinstall the isolation body. Make sure it's seated squarely in there and use 2 thumbs if you have to. Push the plunger back into the housing. Turn it a quarter turn clockwise to lock. Then, test its connection by pushing and pulling the plunger. The unit will click. Reinstall the stem, and then reinstall the stem nut. This only has to be hand tight. We hope this video has been helpful in servicing your DM11F Medicator. For more information, call us at 1-800-523-8499 or visit us online at dosatronusa.com.